Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video, I'll show you how to turn off keyboard auto capitalization on iPhone. But as always, before we continue this video, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. Well, first thing first, you have to open your settings on iPhone. Here you are. I'm gonna open it right now. After that, you have to swipe down and tap on General. And in this General page, you will see keyboard option here under date and time. Just go ahead. After that, as you can see here, my auto capitalization is on. Yeah, the green beacon, that means enable. So to disable it, switch the toggle to the left. And yeah, now it's already disabled. So guys, I think it's enough. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will help you. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon in the next one, and good luck.